Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Area Innovation School, morning shift. Today, I am going to take a math class for the class of Junior 1. Our today's lecture number is 23 for annual term examination and our homework number is 21. I repeat, our lecture number is 23 for annual term examination and our homework number is 21. Our today's topic is write in words. Our today's topic is write in words. Okay, let's start our class. In your question, it will be question number 1, activity B. Question number 1, activity B will be write in words in your question. Okay, dear students, the first number is 380. To write in words, we have to know the place value. We have to know the place value. Look at the board again. It's ones position, it's tens position, and here is hundreds position. This is the 3 place because I write down all the numbers of 3 digit. Okay, so we have to know all the 3 digits place value. From the right side, this is called ones position, then it's tens position, and it's hundreds position. The first number is what? The first number is 380. That means 3 is in hundreds position, 8 is in tens position, and 0 is in ones position. That means this number is 380 because in the ones position it is 0, so it has no value. So it should be 80 only. Okay. So it is what? It is 380. So to write down in word, it should be 380. Dear students, write down 300. THREE 300. HUNDRED 180. EIGHTY 80. The next number is what? The next number is 499. So write down here 499. Look, this 4 is in hundreds position, this 9 is in tens position, and another 9 is in ones position. So it should be what? 4 is in hundreds position, so it should be 400. Then 90. Then it's 9 is in ones position, 99. It should be 499. 499. So write down 499 here. 499. 4 FOUR 400 HUNDRED 100. 99 NINE 90YT 99 NINE 99. The next number is 7 is in ones position, 5 is in tens position, 4 is in hundreds position. It should be what? It should be 450, and it should be 7 because 5 is in tens position. It should be 57. 457. FOUR 400 HUNDRED 400. 57. FIF 50YT 57. SEVEN 7. 57. Now the next one is, it should be 3 is in hundreds position, 0 is in tens position, and this 0 is in also tens position. So the tens position and ones position has no value. We have 300 here, right? 300, and other number is absent here, so it should be only 300. Write down 300. THREE 300. HUNDRED 100. 300. Okay, dear students. Now the last one is 325. This 5 is in ones position, this 2 is in tens position, this 3 is in hundred position. 5 is in ones position, 2 is in tens position, and 3 is in hundreds position. So you can say it is 325. 325. So it should be 300. THREE 300. HUNDRED 100. 325. TWENTY 25. FIVE 5. It should be 325. So now your homework, look, here is only 5 for your CW work. This is not your homework, okay? Your homework number is 21. and your homework is this one. 21 number homework is this 5 number. You have to do this 5 number at your home as your HW. Okay, the first one is what? Look, the first one is in 0 is in 1's position, this 0 is in 10's position, and this 4 is in 100's position. So it should be what? It should be like the last numbers, the second last number, it should be 400 only. It should be 400 only because the 10's position and the 100's position are absent here. Okay, so it should be 400. Like this one, you have to write down these numbers. This is 4, 5, 6. So it should be how much? It should be 456. It should be 456. And like this, you have to write down all the numbers. This is 363. This is the next one is 385. The last one is 477. Okay, dear students, I think you have understood my today's lecture. Okay, and this is your RW class. Your RW class is very, very important, and your HW is also very, very important. You should do your HW very carefully because on the basis on your HW, we will give you CT marks and SVA marks. Okay, dear students, submit your HW copy on every Sunday from 8 AM to 4 PM. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. See you again. Allah Hafiz.